Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a document with Google Docs. First, open the document you need to sign. Once it's open, go to the Insert menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down, select Drawing and then click on New to open a blank drawing canvas. This is where you'll create your signature. Now that you have the drawing canvas open, it's time to create your signature. Click on the line icon in the toolbar and then select Scribble from the options. Carefully draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try, you can always redo it. You can also adjust the line weight and color to make it look just right. Once you're happy with your signature, click the Save and Close button. Your signature will now appear in your Google Docs document. It might be quite large initially, so you'll need to resize it. Click on the signature and then drag the corners to make it smaller. Finally, drag the signature to its correct position on the document, ensuring it's clearly visible and fits perfectly. After placing your signature, take a moment to review the entire document to confirm everything looks correct. For a secure and uneditable version, it's best to download the document as a PDF. Go to File, then Download, and select PDF document. You can then easily share this signed PDF with your recipient. For legally binding documents, consider using a dedicated digital signature service for added security and compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.